it's a very, very strong historic moment for us because this store is called Beautiful Home Stores. This is a very, very novel concept and the first time in the world that this is a concept which has come in. This is the first store, Beautiful Home Store, which is coming in Chennai. And we think for Chennai customers, this is a very, very strong movement which is happening. This is a store which offers decor under one roof. So all categories, whether it is kitchen, bath, lighting, flooring, furniture, furnishing, including paint and all wood finishes are supplied from this store. So it is a one-stop shop for the customer and very convenient. If a customer is doing their home, it becomes very convenient. For the first time in the world, the store is deploying technology and digital solutions so that customer can visualize the store very strongly so that before doing up their dream home, they can see everything, they can get a cost idea, and they can also get the execution from this store because we offer a service called Design Solutions. So in a way, this is a very unique store with a very strong physical journey and a digital journey, which is why this is called a phygital store. And this is the first time in the world this such type of a store is coming. And we think going forward with Bhagyalakshmi Stores, it's a very strong partnership, and definitely we will do extremely well in the Chennai market.
See, Asian Paints is very strong in paints. This home decors, everything they do for the things.
So at Asian Paints, we are now moving from a share of surface to a share of space. So today from the walls, we are moving between the walls. So we want to kind of really see that everything in the home, which is done including painting, we want to kind of get into so that all decor, whether it is furnishing, furniture, flooring or lighting, we will get into that entire space because both the categories have synergy. And if you look at this category is also going to give a lot of impetus to paint to that extent. So both categories go hand in hand, and that is why Asian Paints has made a decision that we will get into decor at home.
All lightings are Asian Paints, or it is outsourcing something?
So today in this we have kitchen, bath, which is made by us completely. We have Sleek and SS as two areas. We have acquired another company called Pure, which we are doing furnishing from to that extent. All other things which we are sourcing from our exclusive suppliers, and we are doing our own design. So Asian Paint is doing its own design and sourcing at the moment, but we are getting into other categories slowly.
So warranty, everything Asian Paints will take care of.
Everything is offered by Asian Paints because the entire range which you see here, there is all APL products here, and we offer warranty and servicing on those.
This is the first store in Chennai? Or?
This is the first store in Chennai. Yeah.
You are a manufacturer. Manufacturers were marketing customer, dispatch customer, இல்லை ப்ராடக்ட் மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் ப்ராடக்ட் கஸ்டமர் எல்லாத்துலேயும் நீங்கள் அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கிங்க. உங்களுக்கு எது கஷ்டமாக தெரியுது? இல்லை கலெக்ஷன் கஸ்டமர்?
Well, we have already got now more than 25 Beautiful Home Stores at the India level. So I think it is a very good movement, and we will have more stores coming in Chennai as well.
How is the response from the other stores?
So this concept is now about 5 years old. So it is not a new concept that way. But every time, like we are coming to this store, this is a new design we are making. So every time there is a progress and a new version of the design which is coming up with new innovations and new categories which is there. So this store concept is doing very well. All the retailers who have got into this concept have been able to do a very, very strong business, and all of them are doing an extremely good business as we go ahead. So as I said that paint is an integral part of this whole kind of journey, and when people buy into decor, they also buy into paint. So what will happen is if people are buying paint, they will start buying, getting into the same customer will get into furniture, lighting, kitchen. And if a person is coming for kitchen, bath, that person will start getting into paint. So it is both categories going together with each other, and that is why we've got into decor. Right? Thank you so much. Thank you.